We helped Amazing Sisters out in Washington County with our permanent color changing product. And so this project, we were doing work for a couple neighbors, and they came over, introduced themselves, and I talked with them, and I figured out they wanted some color changing lights for all different seasons. They had some Christmas lights they did their own. They just want to take it to the next level. So here's what they said. Ben is an absolute joy to work with. His crew is so courteous and respectful too. They do an awesome job and are meticulous. I highly recommend them. I will always use this company for all of my lighting. I wish I knew how to post a picture on here. My lights are beautiful. So the words speak for themselves. It was an amazing project. It turned out great. I know a few of the neighbors came out and complimented them. So hearing a review like this and making people so happy with lights is awesome. So just wanted to share that. Have an awesome day, and I hope you didn't hear the thunder. There it is. It's so loud, but all right, see you guys.